In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple IT support ticketing system using Microsoft Planner in just 5 minutes. Microsoft Planner is a fantastic tool that offers a straightforward way to manage tasks and keep track of projects within your team, and it fits perfectly for handling IT support tickets with ease and efficiency. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred browser and search for Microsoft Planner. It's part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so you can simply type Microsoft Planner into your search bar, and it should be one of the first results. Once you're on the Planner homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen to find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already logged into a Microsoft 365 account, Planner might recognize you and log you in automatically. If not, no worries. Just enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account, followed by your password, and you'll be all set. Now that you're signed in, it's time to get down to business. From the Planner homepage, you'll want to create a new plan specifically for IT support. To do this, look for the New Plan button. You can either create a standalone plan or associate it with an existing team if you're working within a Microsoft team environment. This will help streamline communication among your team members. Once your plan is created, it's important to set up your buckets, which essentially act as columns to organize your tasks. For a basic IT support structure, consider creating buckets with labels like New, In Progress, and Completed. This visual categorization helps you and your team instantly recognize the status of each ticket. Alternatively, you might want to set up categories for specific types of issues, such as hardware, software, or network queries. With your buckets in place, the next step is to create a task for each new support request you receive. Use the user's request as the title of each task, allowing for quick recognition of what the issue entails. In the task details, you'll want to provide a full description of the issue. It's crucial to include as much detail as possible to characterize the problem accurately. Additionally, assign these tasks to the appropriate IT team member and don't forget to set a due date. This keeps everyone accountable and ensures timely resolution of issues. As the support requests are worked on, you can move the tasks between your designated buckets. For example, when a team member starts working on a task, simply drag it from the New column to In Progress. Once the issue is resolved, move it into the Completed bucket. This helps maintain an organized workflow and provides clear, ongoing visibility of the entire support queue. And there you have it. With these steps, you've established a functional IT support ticketing system using Microsoft Planner. It's simple, effective, and a great way to enhance your team's productivity.